work with props in Yamdu, we need to navigate our way down to the production design section. In the overview, we can see all the previous production design elements created either by us or our team. And we can also see the different categories up here like construction, set dressings, props, and graphics. But we can create new ones by going to the settings and adding a production design category. Let's go with vehicles. Another thing we can do here is drag and drop to rearrange the order in which the categories appear. Going back, we can see the new vehicles category and that it's ready for new elements to be added. Now we can also tag the script by going to the scene section. Then clicking on show and tag screenplay, we can start highlighting items like the champagne. Select an item type and choose to tag every mention of it in the script, then add. And now we'll be able to see it on the right side along with other tagged elements. Clicking on it will allow us to directly enter its page where we can add suggestions for this prop. Here we'll be able to make multiple suggestions and rate the props or reject and remove suggestions. And once everyone has rated their choice, we can then fix the agreed one as the final prop. Scrolling down, we'll be able to see the day out of days for this specific prop. So we'll be aware of which scenes it will appear in, the first and last shooting days, as well as all the other details. The production design elements that we use in any project will automatically get stored in the company prop database. In here, all the props that we've ever used with all their details will be kept and can be reused for future projects. And that was a quick look at managing props in Yamdu. Check out our other tutorials for an in-depth look at specific Yamdu features.